Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to learn JavaScript but didn't know where to start, this guide will help you master it in just 30 days. Week 1, the basics. Start with JavaScript fundamentals, variables, data types, functions, and loops. Use online platforms like MDN WebDocs and Free Code Camp to practice simple exercises. Week 2, DOM manipulation and events. Learn how JavaScript interacts with web pages by manipulating the DOM. Explore event listeners, form validation, and basic animations using vanilla JavaScript. Week 3, asynchronous JavaScript. Understand how JavaScript handles asynchronous tasks with promises, async await, and the fetch API. Try building a small project like a weather app using an API. Week 4, advanced concepts and mini projects. Explore ES6 Plus features like arrow functions, destructuring, and modules. Build small projects like a to-do list or a simple calculator to apply what you've learned. By the end of 30 days, you'll have a solid JavaScript foundation and be ready to tackle real-world projects. Keep coding, and see you in the next one.